Mama akwaba wa frame adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Ebusia for lawyer Morris Ampao ena okase na ochre se NDC for de modumu ye tobe India tem enkense meni. NDC for tem didin kwa no aka omo se mo beka che Ghana for de omo ni bi. Evize ba no omo ba no omo ni ani so ade hu bi antize mu za. No omo founder our the party the buy e Papa Jerry awanya ni baby kokra no kese party na nsa no was NDC omo ntimi mba power nde anasa ochina ena na ebobo ba no NDC so omo opposition no so omo te hwa na Yesu aba na ene ma me fast em wentu aso ena na Kimpaluta abranti ya wa rise ya ene ne ndwom ye de ye papa Kimpaluta ndu oba hit bia otu ze ekwo de ndwom ne ye de NDC for munu omati kokum omo ya sapon ne se won ya sapon ina ne se Kimpaluta aka vice president Dr. Bangmia no ho obasim wokwakoye campaign sa asem we ebe topic e wo Ghana ha no e ma journalist for e fa asem we discuss for a whole week ai ni ma papa wo ho no me se nko metimi abahu da his excellency na Nana Akufo-Addo akwakosi police quarters e wo ye fe de say Tesano, I say nkomo gbohu dawu. Wakwakosi the same thing. E wo kwabenya no. Ghana journalist for so muhui. Na na do ye appoint president bia no Ghana journalist for so muhui nti one day. Sebi unsem hu kwa na de bia obedi na de bia this is the question I ask. Ghana ha no ye wo journalist a mo ye kroje o mo ye adwuma no. Ana say when people journalist and NDC journalist. Sa na akoye Ghana ha no ye ni journalist a oye Ghana fo ye ndia ende bi nsi da e wo Ghana ha no mutugum na chese saa na person bisa say ahu Joyce Blessing e na ano na ni 4 days so na ni 3 days okoje NDC campaign platform so e to ndwom atanfo ya se den na sameje mfie ekura ne flag e sa wo stage ho no me no and person bisa say NDC supporters e na journalist form wo kromi anu mu hu nya mbetimi the topic we Ghana ha no you see NPP a party be asomdwe party almost democracy ase say meti ye message Joyce Blessing akoto nduma NDC nti Joyce Blessing me support the bill for the way now the Joyce Blessing no oko support party me the NDC party me tanfo but NDC for the want to be that we be do what them do ma me na papa na do what them they all support NPP munje nsem hu no Yentin Sema, Lawyer Morris Ampao, a day etuja FINDC for.
You see, such a party like NDC, and then with Mama, then Crofuniano, Motiona, Mupese, Ghana, Etuabamamu. You want to come and govern Ghana? Moon say what you want to do. NDC and Mama, what do you want to do for Ghana differently? So, me catch a Ghanaian say. Some of us say Christmas ye di Christmas ye di peace of mind no. Please, the alternative is caring. It's empty. Mama, no policy, no program, no promise. Versus Baumia, policy, program, and promises. Which will you choose? So we promise you 10 CD. Now be promise you what? Pay. Choose the promise because Bible Casano is full of promises. And we need promises to survive in this world. Because promise gives hope. Now you're president, now you don't have promise, you don't have hope. No Ghana can have hope and confidence in you. And we know you won't say this we have never tested before. But we know Mama. You need Mama in and out. We know what you are able to do. We know your ministers. Who ministers? And Mama, President NDC. All the party people, your ministers, we know them. We know the performance of all your ministers. Nothing have changed. The only thing that have changed is that your founder has cursed you. My father they curse him and so no. Yeah, Muko bisa na Ajima Lawrence. Okay, say NDC for the so no. Mu power da. Mu nya power da. Until say, you see what you did to Atamas, Nigeria, and Akwandu. You see what happened. Man ko Lawrence cho. Now, man ko Lawrence cho. Na musha ma Lawrence di audie eko samado. Na founder odi ni moja ato ahama party no and he will beef with you before he do you think you can have any blessings? The blessings of a father. All his blessings in Nimuchi. You are gone. It's over. The game is over until it comes 7 December. No, divine selection. A chusu everywhere Bamia goes. But Moshe, the North, even North region, Moshe, who wins the North? What mean about one of you?
Support the NDC and the visit of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama so that he rescues this country from the hands of the corrupt NPP administration. I have 3 messages for some people in government. The first is to the president we elected. We elect government to solve problems. We've elected again, that has become a problem. We are entering another.
A party like NDC, where change the buyer, now before taking power. Minia, before we to 208. 208 no, and the product change number, papa. I say pay change. Near to Abama, and I do lead 48%. When you have 50 plus 1, no, yeah, call round off no. And if you say, you won't say Ghana for pay change. And look at small margin, they change here. And a miss, name Mama Betlasso. 2016, Obia Hundia Koyero. Ghanaians were fed up with Mama and Namamu, Amamu and Koye, corruption, incompetency, Jidas, Tuba. To say, Nyama, Mama, yeah, Aburo boy, Slave Queen, sir. What to check out some more, Papa no, and the John Dumamo, and the VA, and then families and friends, government, Mama, booye, and the way Mama, a chop ball Ghanaians, who Kappa, no, do what them, never say, who shall I she? They say, na, Omunia G, and the NDC for the main, no more food terrorists, no more catching food Ghana for, and the John Fu, Mama, yeah, in 2016. Yeah, Emma, and also 2016, no, Obi who say, ye pensisemu, into almost say the battle is the Lord. You, it will, anona, if you go to Abano, look at the margin 1 million. And then another, any baumia, Adamumu, Ekoye. But you cannot see the air. There's nothing like change. There's no change in the air. A podcast atmosphere, no. Ghanaians are not calling for change. Na NDC fono omutyo na eyomonwa including the atomo na civil society you are not talking and Ghana Association
Ghana bad time hu aban we so mfaso momwapa ento aba mama hama na ade enche mo behu akufu ado so mfaso akufu ado ankobobosea ankoto dan e wo trasako ama manu mu bi ankotenem kobobosea de abeto aduane ama momma adi ama momma asua de ama momma ene momma anya daache ti mu hu no so mfaso akufu ado akobobosea ne bone a waye ne se wabobosea de akoye Ghana akwan ti mu hu ne so mfaso akufu ado bone a waye ne se okobo obosea de to ambulance a na enye empty e de abehwemo akufu ado bone a waye ne se obosea de ko kra drones e de be save unipa life asante nkai eye no kre akufu ado bone a waye no because oya achem Ghana bad time amu hu